guys, we're doing ice cream. And yes, I did research because it's summertime. Everybody been asking me about ice cream. I don't have an ice cream maker. And I had to figure out, how you make ice cream without the ice cream maker. It's all over YouTube. So it's a 3-ingredient ice cream. This is my first time doing this. I am attempting this for the first time. I'm attempting this for the first time to make some vanilla ice cream without an ice cream churner, without the eggs and the milk on the stove, the traditional way. I'm doing this 3 ingredients, and all you need is some vanilla, some condensed milk, not any type of milk or any particular flavor, and some heavy cream, and a chilled bowl. I had my little, what's these things called? Ooh, my little mixing handles in the freezer along with this bowl for about 3 hours. See how, look at the bowl. It's nice and frosted. You want a really cold bowl. And so let me place this in my mixer. I got my good old standy handy mixer here. Anybody used to look at, what's it called? I got my mixer here. Want to use that. And you need 2 cups of heavy whip and 1 cup of condensed milk. I'm gonna measure this out. I believe this is 2 cups of heavy whip. I also had this in the freezer like an hour because I wanted this to be chilled. I wanted everything to be chilled just because it'll come up to a real nice whip. Yeah. And this is 2 cups. So without using a measuring cup, this pint right here, and it got a little ice in it. This pint right here is actually two cups, and it's all you need without using a measuring cup. I'm gonna pour it in here. That's it. Man, that's all. Great. I'm making. I'm attempting to make ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes.
You need ice and salt, right?
Nope, we're not doing all that. This is a 3-ingredient ice cream. This is a heavy whip, condensed milk, and vanilla.
How is it going to be cold?
It goes in the freezer about 6 to 8 hours or 24 hours overnight. Oh, they're going to see if it's all put in the freezer overnight and come back. You disturb me. They can't hear me over this, and I'm talking.
Well, what I was asking her was, if you're not using ice and salt, how is it going to get cold?
It's a 3-ingredient ice cream. I did my research. It's my first time doing it because everybody said make ice cream, but I don't have an ice cream maker, so I'm going to do it this way.
Let's see how it turn out.
Let's see how it turn out. And we're doing this whip until we get to stiff heats. Once we get to stiff heats, that's what we want. And I have it like on a medium high. And this is going to take all day. Oh, took that thing off for me. No, took the bone down. So you can see inside the bone. Now, there you go. You guys can still see me too. And we're just going to blend till it gets to a stiff heat. It's like you make the whipped cream, homemade whipped cream. That's all this is doing. It's going to take a minute, guys. So you're going to come back, you're going to have stiff heat, and we're going to go from there. So I'm back. I turned this up on high. And guess what? Ooh, I hear it. Ooh. See? It's like a whipped cream. This is what we want right here. It's like a whipped cream. So that is good. I'm going there now. That's just how you want it. I'm taking the top off my condensed milk. I'm making a video, you guys. You want 1 cup of condensed milk. Ooh. 1 cup
I'm sorry,
of that condensed milk.
Sorry, guys. And that's condensed milk.
It's condensed milk. We making...
It look dense.
And I'm setting that to the side. And then we go in there with 1 teaspoon. Remember,
you know your eyes on the camera.
I know my eyes on the camera.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. She a pro. She know what she doing.
1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then, oh, that condensed milk made my hands sticky. Then we gonna blend. We're gonna blend it up together. Look at it, guys. Just blend it up together.
You see, ice cream in the making.
I'm gonna make an ice cream in the making, thing, guys. Okay, that's it. That's all. And this is all I want to do. I'm gonna pop this. Look at my Sahara, y'all. He'll probably get y'all 60. What she got all over her mouth?
So she was eating some Subway.
Subway. Okay. Then, hey, somebody hand me that brown spatula right over here. Look, ice. She gonna come back. You eat that? What you say, baby? She said she wanna eat this. Get that. Rinse it off. Thank you. Hey guys, she said I want to eat that. She said I want to eat that. Yeah. Pull that camera up for me. Yeah, that's right there. So guys, this is it right here. So what I want to do now, get some type of mold. So I got this. You got what you say, baby? You what? Okay, whatever you said, you right. I have this right here, this little mold container. If you have like maybe a container with a top to it, if you have like a pound cake pan, a little small head, you can use that. I'm going in with this. I'm gonna shake my water out of here. Okay. And I'm just gonna place this in here. I hope I'm doing this good enough. I'm just going to spread it out through here, just like this. Think I got it all. Take this right here, look. So it's in my mold, my container. It's vanilla ice cream. Let's see what happens tomorrow. She great. It's time for her to go home, guys. And move this to the side. Take some plastic Reynolds wrap. Oh, I almost dropped the bowl. And place on your container. If you don't have a top, use Reynolds wrap. But even if you have a top, use the Reynolds wrap and then place the top on it. My Reynolds wrap. Place it down. I'm gonna place this in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours. I'm gonna do 24 hours. You guys will come back with the end results. What's up, Soul Squad? I am back. It's been 24 hours and we're gonna get these results. Remember, this is my first time making it. This is an experiment trying to make ice cream with no machine, no eggs, no salt, no ice. Jackson, come on. Bring that camera on the way up here. They can see this. Seriously, Jackson, get back off the booze, okay? Jesus. Oh my goodness, okay. Take off your plastic wrap. Look at that ice cream dough. Let me see that to the side. Look at that dough. Here we go. It looks like vanilla ice cream, right? And I had some toppings here. Turn it around. I had some. Go back to a man. Yeah, I'm teaching him. Okay. Go up some of the camera. There we go. I had some strawberry toppings here. I had my bowl here. And I had my ice cream scoop sitting in hot water so that I could just be able to roll it. It looked like ice cream. Maybe I should have let it get a little softer. You know how ice cream be. Oh, but no, that's pulling off. Oh my gosh. I said, oh my gosh. Oh my God, guys. My scoops are kind of small. Then I need to roll it a little bit more.
Oh no, that is mine.
You claim ice cream already, Jackson? Now, sometimes you gotta let your ice cream sit out a few minutes. It looks like vanilla ice cream. I'm telling you, it looked like vanilla ice cream. And I keep saying it because I'm shocked. That's why she said, why she keep saying it? She's shocked. I am so shocked. I'm gonna try to do 3 scoops. You know, they make them they make these new kind of ice cream scoops. It's really, that tastes like vanilla ice cream. Guys, no salt. Okay, no salt, no ice, no on the stove with the milk and the butter and the sugar, vanilla. I know how to make ice cream that way. I made it that way before, you know, but you need the ice cream maker. I like having an ice cream maker. This is my first time researching. It's summertime. We want to do ice cream. It's ice cream hard. I got a good freezer. If it's too hard for you, you know what you do, your ice cream, you let it soften up. Oh, wow. I think I'm going to do one more scoop. Exercise, too. Pull that arm back. I did not make enough for the family. Because when I'm experimenting, I don't make big portions. You don't want to waste all the ingredients, you know. So when you're experimenting on something, you're not sure that it's going to come out right, I advise do not make it in big portions. Do not make it in big portions. Make small portions. That way, if it comes out correctly, it comes out right, you have homemade, in the house, vanilla ice cream, you guys. This is freaking amazing. I'm going to do one more scoop. Somebody about to be happy in my house.
Me.
Look, Jackson said me, because he's standing here beside me. He's been here for 2 days helping me record the chocolate cake, the ice cream. So this is most definitely going to be his. And I'm just going to let it soften up for everybody else.
Yeah, that's for me.
Jackson said, this is for me. That's it, guys. I'm going to top this with some strawberries. That's enough, Jackson?
Yeah.
I made homemade vanilla ice cream, you guys. Let it go in that refrigerator 8 to 24 hours. We did 24 hours. Hold the thing up. Hold the camera up on my face. I hear my granny. Homemade vanilla ice cream. Try this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe this video. Guys, this looks so amazing. It tastes just like the real deal. And to our next video, Soul Squad, I am out. Love you guys. Have a great Saturday. This is my chocolate cake. Good for cupcakes, good for however you want to make it, guys. Until our next video, we are out, Soul Squad. Have a great, great, great weekend. See you next time.